Okay? So after I graduated from the VoiceWorks, doon na nag-open yung mga opportunities, lahat na ng doors, window, at saka mga bubong nag-open. So my first project, dubbing project with ABS-CBN would be Twilight, yung Tagalized version of Twilight. Ako si James, yung white dude na vampire. Ako din yung tatay ni Jacob, yung Indian na naka-wheelchair, yung chief na ano. Kasi nga, most of the role na napapabigay sa akin, medyo mga tatay ka, pulis ka, kasi medyo makapal yung boses. So, parating mga authoritative character yung napapabigay sa akin. Now, the last and most recent nga, yung Pure Love, 11:30 p.m. ABS-CBN. Sino ba ako sa Pure Love? Sino nga ba ako sa Pure Love? Hindi kasi, ang ginagawa namin dyan, okay, so just to give you an idea kung paano gumagana, in one guy or in one dubber, gumagamit ka ng 4 hanggang 5 boses. Parang ganun. So, nakalimutan ko na ang recently nga, yung Hilary's Promise, ako yung brother ng kontrabidang babae, which is ang ginamit ko boses, ito na. And then yung head doctor ng ospital. Yung, ito na ang 50th anniversary ng ospital na ito. Gusto ko maganda kayo ng presentation. Yun. So yung matandang puti na yung buhok, ako na yan. And my most proudest project, of course, made possible by Creative Voices and Mr. Picholo Gonzalez. I'm the official voice-over for the safety guideline of Ayala Cinemas nationwide. So even if you go to Cebu, to Davao, Trinoma, Marquee Mall in Pampanga, right before the movie starts, good day to all our valued movie patrons. For your safety and convenience, here are a few reminders. So ako yung nagpapatay ng mga cellphone nyo bago mag-start yung pelikula. So that's me. Yes. So yun guys. So I guess more or less it is aim high nga, no? From a nobody to at least somebody now. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko maibalik yung feeling sa akin na when I was in radio, pagkahawak ko yung microphone, pag nasa area ko, we feel powerful. No? Kasi kailangan credible ka sa lahat ng mga sinasabi mo when you're on air, di ba? And DJ, alam natin na masaya, parang happy lagi yung environment as a DJ. So this time, medyo iba naman, medyo level up na yung ginagawa natin. Pero the good thing is, kung isipin nyo, DJ ka na for 6 years, so madali na sa'yo yung topic. Hindi. I still took the workshop, and iba kasi pag sinabing, we don't say voice acting nga eh. We say it's acting. Kasi pagka umacting ka, lalabas yung boses mo. So they made it look easier, pero once na you're doing it, the execution of... Kasi, okay, may monitor ka, may script ka, nababasahin mo, and then every once in a while you glance dun sa monitor, sa script mo, and then naka-headset ka, na naririnig mo yung Korean version nung sinasabayan mong tao. And then you have to speak in Tagalog. So lahat ng gagawin nyo, nandito sa taas, sa ulo lang. Titingin ka doon, and then script mo, and then magsasalita ka, and then listening skills. Madali, mahirap. Kasi kung kaya ko magluto, maglaba, maglansya, sabay-sabay. Mula dito, mababa, katawan na gumagana. Pero pag lahat natin sa ulo, try nyo minsan. Okay din. Alright guys, so yun nga, yung unang sinabi ng Mr. Picholo Gonzalez, know what you want. Dati, nung 13 years old ako, I used to imitate because I was listening to Magic 89.9 sa Manila. So lahat ng narinig ko, ginagaya ko. And then yan, eventually, when I moved to Lucena, may mga local radio station, that's the time that I was given an opportunity. Kasi may workshop din yung station doon. And then, yun, they hired me. So after graduating from high school, which is 17, 18, or 16, nag-radio na ako. And then, doon naging malinaw lahat sa akin kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari. Kasi nga, ayoko din ng math. Yan, kami, ayaw namin ng numbers. So, we love the English language. We love to communicate to people. We love to inspire young people like you guys. So this is what we're doing. This is the advocate of Creative Voices and yung grupo namin. And this is coming January 30, we're opening the Speechcom Center. Yung pinakita kanina, Speechcom Center. basically hindi lang sa English language, kundi just for you guys to overcome yung public speaking. Kasi let's all face it, when you graduated, pagdating ng time na maghahanap na kayong trabaho, ang job interview nyo ay sa wikang English. We survey most of the corporate companies and when they conduct their interview in English. So you have to communicate with them, okay? Basic rule. When somebody asks you in English, you answer back or you reply in English. Pag kinakausap kayo ng Tagalog, that's the only time you reply back in Tagalog. Kasi medyo bastos. If somebody's talking to you in English and you reply in Tagalog, parang oops. Okay? So basic rule of conversation with people, guys. Okay? So marami yan. So we're going to be opening a new school. It's a training and a workshop at the same time. Bukod pa doon sa ginagawa namin voice acting workshop, which is batch 19 currently. So every Saturday, 8 Saturdays, batch 19 voice works happening in our headquarters in Makati. So we have 2 schools now. So we're growing and hopefully in the future we'll have branches so we can reach out for people like you guys who's trying to figure out ano ba talaga yung gusto kong gawin. Okay? And then the fun thing naman is when you get into dubbing or anything na kagaya na ginagawa namin, it's fun na, hindi na siya trabaho kapag ginagawa mo na yung gusto mo, hindi na nagiging work yung ginagawa mo. So, this coming February, I have a lot of events. Mostly ngayon, ang namapatawa sa akin is hosting for corporate events, AVP for corporate video presentation for the companies, different companies, and yun. So we're inviting you guys, and if you have friends in Manila, madali naman yun, no? So i-google nyo lang, Creative Voices Productions. They have a phone number, we have a Facebook account. They can call, they can text. So there's a lot of ways for you guys to get in touch. Yung mga friends nyo, or if in case nasa Manila na kayo, you guys can give us a call or whatever. Alright, so thank you and good afternoon and good luck. Thank you, good afternoon and good luck. This is Paul Kawal.
Ang boses niya wala, no? Anyway, you know guys, time passed so fast. Hindi niyo napansin, start tayo 1:30, anong oras na? Oh, di ba? Parang nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Actually, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Okay, sinimulan ko kanina, who is Pocholo, right? Pocholo, Cholo, good. He is a loving father.
Ate,
Yes,
ano po masasabi niyo sa
sa
speaker namin?
We had
Hindi malayo. Nakasumag.
like field trip kami kasama yung bio research.
Ano po masasabi niyo sa ating speaker?
Di ba nung bata tayo, we always remember the things that happened.
Hindi. Ayos lang yan.
We were in kindergarten.
Ay, ganun.
Mag-isip mo na ako.
Scripted.
Kumbaga,
Ikaw ate, ano po masasabi niyo sa
parang,
speaker?
anong tawag din yung memory na parang naaalala ko lang. Selective memory tayo. Ganong yung mga elementary days or...
O, sabay kayo, sabay.
Di ba yung naaalala natin yung mga bagay na sorry, graduation natin.
Baby kang o, sana masasabi?
Minsan, for sure, naalala niyo ba na minsan
Hindi.
Course namin,
nung elementary or kinder kayo, hindi niyo nakasama yung magulang niyo. Di ba tanda-tanda natin yun?
Dati naman nahihiya po.
nahihiya pa kami, namumula pa nga kami.
Hindi, ayos lang yan.
Pero, kaya kahapon, sinamahan.
Saan ba yun?
Alam mo yung sobrang sabi
Sino
niya,
yan?
Daddy, thank you very much. Parang, I appreciate it.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Alam mo yun, tapos niyakap ako ng anak ko. Tapos